if you are a student, working professional, or anyone with 1 to 2 hours of free time available in a day and you want to utilize that time in an optimized way and earn some money as well, then congratulations, this video is for you. Let's get started. So basically in this video I'll be talking about how I grabbed a part-time job at Yocket. So Yocket, if you don't know, it is one of the India's largest student community platform for those who are seeking higher education in abroad like US, Canada, UK, Australia and so on. So now, question number one. Bro, how did you get this job? Option A, you applied directly on the careers portal and grabbed the job, or you have got through referral. So the answer is 1, 2, 1, 2. Both are wrong. Neither I got through referral nor I applied. So I am like counseling and giving suggestion, mentoring is my hobby since very long. So I was just helping students on the Yocket portal in web application as well and in mobile application as well. So their recruitment team observed that, oh, this guy is doing a lot for us. He's giving answers. He's giving reply to numerous students on daily basis. So they contacted me, said you are so active in our community. So why don't you work with us and join as a community member at Yocket? So that's how I got an offer from there. Now I am working as a part-timer Yocket mentor and I'm getting so many perks like letter of recommendation, featuring on their YouTube channel and community, and this as well. You know, you are smart enough, right? So that's my small story how I cracked the job. I also cracked in the past few other part-times like in Newton School and in Q Math as a Java coding instructor. So if you want to know that story as well, then do let me know in the comment section. Until then, bye bye, take care.